Since she was a little girl, senior Ava Dickenscheit has loved music and the light it has brought to her life. From jamming out to Taylor Swift in her bedroom to now releasing her own music, Ava has the potential to reach stardom.
So to have a student producing their own music is pretty spectacular, actually. It's rare. It takes a different level of talent and understanding of music. It shows that her level of thinking about music is very deep. Plus being able to form lyrics and music. I mean, it's spectacular. Yeah.
Yeah, when I started working on my real songs, when I started writing my own music, I was like, I really want to do this. Like, I wanted to do it forever. I just find it so cool, and it's a great way to express myself.
She brings her humility, she brings her talent, she's selfless, she wants to work with a team, she wants to then just be a part of a group to make the group better, and she does that. It's incredible.
A lot of people have inspired me, but since I was little, I've listened to Taylor Swift my whole life, and I just found her super talented.
Like, I have told her several times, I'm like, girl, you sound like Taylor Swift. Like, you just have a career headed for you. People think that singing in a choir is easy. It actually makes, you have to use all of your senses to be able to be in a choir and to be a singer. And Ava brings all of that.
In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Abby Hevron.